All right, welcome everybody. I'm going to go ahead and get started on introducing our last sight word for this week. Okay, so this is day 4 of a new sight word, and this one is a really big one. So go ahead, I'm just going to recap here real quick. Again, if you have access to a printer and would like to print out the worksheet and complete it as I go through, feel free. If you do not have access, that's okay. You can continue to work along with me. We can skywrite. We can do everything together through the computer. So let's go ahead and get started here. We always start in the first box. Let's go ahead and take a look at our word. Do we have any tall letters? Yes, the T and the H. Do we have any small letters? We do. We have 3. Do you know what they are? Good. The E, R, and E. Do we have any basement letters? No, we don't. Awesome job, friends. All right, so here we go. We have the letters T, H, E, R, E. This is a really tricky word, so I want you to really focus. Okay, this word is there. Okay, like I left my phone over there. Or please go stand over there. All right, so here we go. Let's swipe read it on the count of 3. Again, if you're following along with me, you can swipe read in the air or across your screen. If you have the worksheet in front of you, go ahead and put your finger under that letter T and let's swipe read. Ready? 1, 2, 3, there. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, there. Good. Go ahead and get your pencil out. If you're working from home, if you're working with me, get your finger in the air and let's get ready to go. Let's write the word there. T H E R E. Okay, you can bring your, put your pencil away. You can bring your finger down. Let's go ahead. We're going to move on to the next box here. Remember, we're going to clap it out to see how many syllables we have. So let's clap. Ready? There. Let's try it one more time. There. We clapped 1 time when we said the word there, so it is a 1-syllable word. Let's color in our 1 circle. If you have a yellow, go ahead and use yellow. If you don't have a yellow and want to use a different color, that's okay. Go ahead. And today for coloring on our word, I'm going to use a blue crayon. So if you want to go ahead and match me, feel free. Otherwise, you can pick your own color. All right, now that everyone's ready, let's go ahead and color in the word there. T H E R E. Alrighty, I know you guys did an awesome job of coloring, making sure you're staying in the lines, making sure that there's no white showing. Great work. All right, let's put those crayons or markers down and get our pencil back out. We're going to get ready to trace the word there. You can follow along with me at home as you're tracing. If you are just watching and you don't have the paper available, that's okay. You can either trace in the air or follow along with me on the computer screen. So here we go. T H E R E. There. Good. Moving on at our spell it box. So let's take a look at our boxes that we have here. We have 2 tall boxes. So I want you to think for a second, what letters go in those boxes? And then we have 3 small boxes down here. I want you to think again, what letters do we put here? Let's go ahead and spell the word there. T, H, E, R, E. Spells there. Awesome job. And down to our last row of activities. Let's find the word there 3 times. I'll go ahead and give you some time to find it. Remember, you're looking for it 3 times. You can circle at home, or you can circle, using your finger in the air up against the computer screen. All right, you've had some time, so I'm going to go ahead and circle for you on my paper. There, there, there. Awesome job. And who did you tell? Go ahead, find a friend, find mom or dad, your brother and sister, grandma and grandpa, and let's say the word. You can say it to me if you would like. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, there. Awesome job, friends. Put your check mark in the box or check mark in the air. Again, this is our last sight word for the week, so there will be no video for Friday. Okay, I just wanted to say that you guys did an awesome job all week working hard on these words, and I will have some new ones for you next week. But just as a reminder, this word is the word there. Okay, go ahead and add it to your flashcards, practice it on your word wall, and I'll see you guys next week. All right, have a good one.